Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the best application, friends, how you can actually track the real-time flights, friends. As you can see here, which you can track real-time flights, which is very good application. So in this video, I'll be talking in-depth review about this application, friends. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description, friends, about what live wallpapers exactly I am using. So if you can see here, all three smartphones are using different live wallpapers, and definitely, friends, do check the playlist of the wallpapers, as you can see, so which I have created recently. So plenty of wallpapers reviews I'll be doing, friends, not only wallpapers, different Android application reviews as well, similarly like this. So do subscribe to my channel, friends, and also join in the Telegram group, so where I'll be posting plenty of promo codes for the Android applications every week, friends. So try to join in the Telegram group so you can stay up to date about all the different Android applications promo codes. So now let me get into this video, friends, here. So this is the application which is called Flight Trade 24. So this is a flight tracker application. So right now you can see, friends, I am in the Melbourne region here, as you can see in the Melbourne here. So as soon as if I hear any kind of aeroplane sound, definitely you can recognize the aeroplanes close by, nearby you, friends, and you need to tap on the flight, and you'll get all the details about the flight, friends, and what is the path it's going, starting and ending path as well. And not only that, you also get plenty of other information, like at what height actually the flight is and what is the speed of the flight currently. So that is a good advantage, friends. So let me zoom out the map, and you can see throughout the world, friends, at same time, so which is very good thing, as you can see here. So you can see plenty of flights going on right now here. So for example, if I try to zoom in near the region like Hyderabad, you can see, friends, clearly even now still there are like few flights which are going on, even though there is like a ban on the domestic flights. So let me try to select. You can select any other flights, friends, and you can check the flight time, schedule, and what is the actual time and estimated time and everything. So which is very good application, friends. Just give it your time, and you can even see the real time increasing height of the flight as well, friends. So which is another next step as well, I can see. So clearly you can see your, friends, increasing height as well, so which is very good thing. And in this way you can track what are the flights actually are there, friends. So this is the best application, friends, if you want to track the flights. And even these flights are categorized neatly, friends. For example, all the small flights or domestic flights, and whereas the big flights or from the international flights. So as you can see the difference in terms of the size of the airplane as well. So if I tap on this front, so this will be the international flight traveling from one country to other country. So in this way you can identify, friends, difference between the aeroplane domestic and international one as well. So you can see what's the path of the flight as well. So now it's a good time, friends, for you all. So everyone being in the home because of restrictions not to go outside, and now it's a time to just track what are the flights going on. And definitely, friends, I'll be trying to do this kind of Android application reviews, plenty of them. So stay tuned, friends, subscribing to my channel. So see you in the next video, friends. If you find any other useful application, do comment below, friends. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.